Welcome to another episode of Marine Science Facts. Today we will be talking about plankton. Plankton are a diverse group of organisms that drift through aquatic environments, including oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers. The word plankton comes from the Greek term planktos, meaning drifter or wanderer, which aptly describes their free-floating existence. Despite their small size, plankton play an indispensable role in Earth's ecosystems, regulating global climate, supporting marine food webs, and contributing to human economies and societies. Plankton are categorized into several groups based on their functions, life stages, and sizes. Functionally, they are divided into phytoplankton, zooplankton, bacterioplankton, and mixoplankton. Phytoplankton are the plant-like plankton that use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce energy through photosynthesis. These include diatoms, dinoflagellates, and cyanobacteria, with species like Prochlorococcus being the most abundant photosynthetic organism on Earth. Zooplankton, in contrast, are animal-like and feed on phytoplankton or other zooplankton. This group ranges from tiny copepods to larval stages of larger animals like jellyfish. Some zooplankton, such as krill, spend their entire lives as plankton, holoplankton, while others, like fish larvae, are planktonic only during their early life stages, meroplankton. Additionally, bacterioplankton contribute to nutrient recycling by breaking down organic material, while mixoplankton display dual behaviors, capable of photosynthesis and predation. Plankton vary greatly in size. They range from the microscopic picoplankton, less than 2 micrometers in size, to macroplankton like krill, which can be seen with the naked eye. Regardless of their size, all plankton exhibit fascinating biological adaptations. Many have mechanisms to remain buoyant, such as oil droplets, gas vacuoles, or flattened body shapes, which help them float in the water column. Phytoplankton contain chloroplasts for photosynthesis, while zooplankton have developed feeding strategies that include filter feeding and predation. Reproductive strategies also vary, with some plankton reproducing asexually through binary fission, as seen in diatoms, while others reproduce sexually, promoting genetic diversity. Ecologically, plankton form the foundation of aquatic food webs. Phytoplankton serve as primary producers, creating energy-rich organic compounds that support a wide array of life, from tiny zooplankton to massive marine mammals like whales. Zooplankton, in turn, act as primary or secondary consumers, transferring energy up the food chain to fish, seabirds, and other animals. Beyond their role in food webs, plankton are key players in Earth's biogeochemical cycles. Phytoplankton absorb atmospheric carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, a process that also produces approximately half of the oxygen we breathe. When plankton die, their carbon-rich remains sink to the ocean floor, sequestering carbon and reducing its concentration in the atmosphere. This biological pump is a vital mechanism in mitigating climate change. Bacterioplankton further contribute by decomposing organic material and recycling essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. Plankton also influence global climate regulation in other ways. Phytoplankton blooms reflect sunlight, affecting the amount of heat absorbed by ocean waters, a phenomenon known as the albedo effect. Additionally, some plankton produce dimethyl sulfide, DMS, a compound that contributes to cloud formation and helps cool Earth's surface. From an economic and societal perspective, plankton hold immense value. They are the primary food source for many commercially important fish and shellfish, such as salmon, herring, and shrimp, making them integral to global fisheries and aquaculture industries. Certain planktonic species, especially algae, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which are extracted for pharmaceutical and nutraceutical products. Algae are also being explored as a sustainable source of biofuels due to their high lipid content. Plankton contribute to tourism as well, with bioluminescent species like dinoflagellates creating breathtaking light displays in coastal waters that attract visitors. Moreover, research into planktonic carbon uptake is critical for refining climate models, highlighting their importance in understanding and addressing climate change. Plankton's significance extends beyond their ecological and economic roles to their fascinating biology and behaviors. The chalk cliffs of Dover, for example, are composed of the calcium carbonate shells of ancient coccolithophores, a type of phytoplankton that lived millions of years ago, underscoring their role in geological history. Phytoplankton such as Prochlorococcus are responsible for 20% of the oxygen in the atmosphere, a greater contribution than all tropical rainforests combined. Plankton blooms, visible even from space, can be triggered by natural events like hurricanes that bring nutrient-rich waters to the surface. Bioluminescent plankton create mesmerizing phenomena, such as glowing, phosphorescent bays, enchanting onlookers. However, not all planktonic activities are benign. Harmful algal blooms, HABs, caused by certain phytoplankton can release toxins that devastate marine ecosystems and pose risks to human health. In conclusion, plankton are tiny but mighty organisms that underpin aquatic ecosystems, regulate global climate, and sustain human economies and societies. Their extraordinary diversity and functions highlight the need to study and protect these critical organisms in the face of environmental challenges such as climate change and pollution. Without plankton, life on Earth as we know it would not exist. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out on interesting ocean facts. Also give it a thumbs up.